This is Manoj Gokhale. Today, I would like to share with you about a magnificent book which many of you might have read, but I would recommend you can read it again. The book is Who Moved My Cheese? There was a time when it had created ripples in the world or management circles or educational institutions. The book primarily deals with how to positively deal with change. As I see in post-corona world, almost everyone will be forced to make changes in his lifestyle. And the more easily and happily we accept it, better for us. Because it is said, if you keep on doing what you are doing, you will keep on getting what you are getting. Frankly speaking, many people will not be now able to keep on doing what they were doing because many things might become obsolete. So, post corona times are certainly challenging, and when you need to face challenging times, you need to equip yourself with some tools. And in that regard, I would definitely recommend this book, Who Moved My Cheese. It's written in a story form, and large things are to be read between the line. The author has highlighted also in between some key points he wants to share. You can make your own. It's a very small book, absolutely amazing, and I will strongly recommend to spare time for it. It must be available as e-book, audiobook. I'm quite sure you can check it out. Okay. So that's the main thing I want to share. I've been repeatedly telling because now the creative ability is going to be more and more important. You will be forced to develop new ways of doing things. And just give a thought to it, and for that I will say meditation and basically creating space in your mind, because unless space is there, creativity cannot happen. You need to go to zero. So just spare some time and read this book whichever way possible. Thank you. I repeat name of the book, Who Moved My Cheese. Thank you. Manoj Gokhale.